Today we're going to be drawing a monster. I'm using a permanent marker, but you can use pencil. I also folded my paper in half so that it would fit on the video screen. And the nice thing about this is if I wanted to, I could make a second monster on the other half of this paper. Let's get started. First, to make our monster, we are going to need to make two triangle shapes. These are going to be the monster's ears. The triangle shape should be almost to the top of the paper that we are using, and hold your paper the tall way so you can fit the whole body of your monster on the paper. Here's one triangle and another triangle. It almost looks like making cat ears or the eyes of a jack-o'-lantern. Make your triangles. Great job. Now we're going to connect between the two tall triangles with lots of smaller triangles for the top of the monster's head. Go ahead and add smaller pointy triangles for the top of your monster's head. Great job. Let's start adding the sides of the body for our monster. So our monster is going to be really spiky and furry. So when we make our lines, they're going to be spiky, pointy lines that curve a little bit going downward. So watch me do it, and then it's your turn. So spiky, but also kind of curvy on one side and the other side, and then connect them with more spiky lines. Go ahead and add your spiky curved lines to make your monster's body. Terrific! Now let's give our monster some arms. So he'll need two arms, and they're kind of spiky and furry too. Just like that. Now let's give our monster some fingers. Fingers can be triangles too. Did you add your monster's fingers? You did? Great. Let's keep going. Now we're going to give our monster some feet and legs. So first let's go down and down on either side. Don't put them too close together. Good. Now move out, like making forwards or backwards L shapes. And give our monster 3 pointy toes and feet. And then make 2 more lines to finish the legs and connect them to the monster's feet. Does your monster have legs and feet and toes now? It does? Awesome! Okay, now it's time to give our monster some eyes. Our monster can have any kind of eyes you want. Maybe they're open, or maybe they're closed. Maybe they're sleepy. Who knows? My monster is going to have eyes that are circles. 1 circle, 2 circles, and they're not even the same size. Inside those circles are going to be more circles. Add your monster's eyes. Wow, your monster's looking great. Okay, let's give our monster a really fuzzy big eyebrow. So our monster has a really fuzzy big eyebrow. There we go. Looking good. Now my monster needs a mouth. What will your monster's mouth look like? Will he be sticking out his tongue? Will you see sharp pointy teeth? Will he be smiling, or frowning, or yelling? What will your monster look like? My monster is a happy monster, and he has a few pointy teeth that I can see sticking out. Add a mouth for your monster. My monster also has some marks on his body to show that he has some more fur. So I'm going to make some marks to show that he has even more fur. You can make marks for your monster if you want to. Go ahead. Now that my monster is all done, it's going to be time to add some colors. Color in your whole monster using colors that you think represent how your monster is feeling.